Here's our new one. Okay, so Sherry, here's our goals for today. And I actually forgot a goal. So we're going to write a story
We have a goal.
using a keyword outline. We're going to add an ly adverb like we did. We're going to learn how to correctly create a title. Remember you asked me that the other day? Should I put a title up above? Today I'm going to teach you how we write a title. Da-da-da. Okay.
Why do we have 8 this time?
Because it's a longer one with more sentences. Milkmaid did.
The next one is market. Maybe it's
Milkmaid, market. Okay.
Pail, milk.
Okay, so are you going to draw anything or are you just going to use words? Remember, 3 words is our limit. Milkmaid, market. Could I draw a pail maybe?
I want to draw a pail.
Okay.
That was what I wanted to say.
Oh, okay. Remember, I'm drawing on a computer screen, so mine won't be very good.
Just draw a box looking like flower pot and draw lines.
Okay. Then what? Milkmaid, market, pail.
Pail. Let's draw milk.
You do it however you want. I'm going to write milk because I think that's hard. And then I'm going to draw a face and I'm going to point to their head.
Hello everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification button